I had it all figured out, knew which road I would go down, thought I could do it all on my own, but then you came around. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. Well, I had the mountains on my mind, but I was supposed to find someone to share these moments with, someone to share this ride. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. 'Cause all the beautiful places I've been and all the dreams that I've been chasing, what would they mean if I hadn't taken the long way around? I found you. I found you. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that your love is a good detour. Love is a good detour.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you till the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story is just begun.